yourself for like 20 bucks. You can't beat it. Look at that. Here we go, guys. Just sprayed my Hyper Dip, pulled it off, and pretty much perfect. Dealer charges you about 200 or 150 a side for these if you want them all blacked out. But you can see, perfect. Go right here. Look at that. So I had been having this stuff in my garage for about a month because I wanted to try it. I saw a YouTube video of it, and I wanted to see if it worked, and I decided this morning to pull these suckers off and just spray them. And I didn't make the video starting out, but man, this thing came out flawlessly. I just pulled it off after it dried for about an hour and just pulled it off, and it came out the seams and everything. I mean, look at that. You can't beat that. I mean, what was it, 20 bucks for that stuff? Look at that. I mean, you can't beat it. Now, before you do it, you have to prep it, clean it, wipe it off with alcohol, let it dry, and spray that bad boy. Like 3 to 4 light coats, and it comes out perfect. It says, let's see, okay, 4 to 6 inches, surface to be clean, apply 3 to 4 light dusty coats. That's important. Barely spray it, come back, spray it. I don't know, my video's going wacko on me anyway, but this is my end result of using the Hyper Dip. I mean, look at that. I just stuck it on there. I haven't mounted it yet. When you do take these off, you should pry on the upper side, because you got a clip here, 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 and here, and here. Inside of here, you have double stick tape. Here I did, I'm replacing the, I guess the double stick tape. So this bad boy stick, because you don't have any panel clips on this side, so it tends to stick out right there. So it'd probably be best to put you some more tape there when you pull yours off. Yeah, give me a second. So after you've placed your double stick on there, you just mount them back in place here and see what happens. As you can see, it's back on there, just like nothing ever happened. So, you pay for this, give yourself for like 20 bucks.